If you have widgets set up on your Android tablet, they'll usually have this standard look when you add them to your home screen. But if you want, you can change them to this type of transparent look, where you'll still see all the same info, but the rest of the widget is transparent, allowing it to better blend with your background. To change your widgets to the transparent look, you'll first tap and hold any widget until you see the Settings button appear. Then you'll go to the Settings, and you'll see a handful of options for adjusting the background. This weather widget, for example, allows me to change between a light and dark background. But that difference honestly isn't that big. To get the transparent look, I can just toggle off the background option. That'll completely remove the background, so you'll just see the weather info and nothing else. Then tap Save, and you're done. The options are slightly different depending on what type of widget you're dealing with. This calendar widget, for example, has the same option to remove the background, but it also has a little transparency slider on the bottom in case I don't want to fully remove the background. This allows for a nice semi-transparent look, and I can even change the shape of the background, which can be a nice little touch if you're grouping several widgets together. And that's how you get transparent widgets. I think it's a nice minimalistic look, and I kind of prefer them this way. Let me know what you think. And also, click that like button if this video helped you. Thanks all, until next time.